everyone, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm gonna be doing two things in one video, which is actually what I've gotten from H&M and from Zara. Both stores I really like. There are some things that you like from one store and another from another store, simply to put together whatever it is that you want. So I'm gonna show you guys some of the things that I got in H&M and Zara. And yeah, I'm just gonna jump right into it. I'm gonna show you guys this set that I got from Zara. I love it. I'm gonna start with the top part. Here, you guys can see this crop top. If you guys have been on my Instagram, you'll see that I did post a photo with this whole set and I absolutely love it. What I love about sets is you can split them up. They look good together, they are coordinated with each other, but they also look good with different pieces. So this top part, it's it is kind of like a dress shirt, okay? But it's different because it's crop. And I especially like the material and the color. It's a sand color, but at the same time, the material is different. Next, I also have this bottom part, which is the skirt, which I absolutely love because the fit is amazing. I love anything high-waisted, but this particular one, okay, this skirt I really like because of the fit. So I don't know if you guys ever had that problem where, for me, it's tight on the hips, but then when it comes to my waist, it's loose, and I absolutely hate that because it's not even something that you can fix with just putting on a belt. But this skirt fits really nicely. It's stretchy, but it can hug your body depending on your size. So I like that it's stretchy so that, you know, there's room. And also I like the slit. It makes it that much more elegant and classy, and you can wear the skirt with anything. All right, next is this crop top. I mean, who isn't loving crop tops at this time? Especially in the summer, even though for some of us it's probably raining or it's still transitioning, you know, from chillier weather to warmer weather. This is great because it's still nice and light while it does cover part of my arms or 3/4 of my arms. It's really light material and I love it. I love the color. It's perfect for the summer. You can put it with anything. You can put it with shorts, skirts. As you guys probably already know this about me, I like pieces that I can use for many other different things, not just for one thing. And it doesn't always look the same depending on what you pair it with. So I like this for that, and I really like the color. I really like the wings, the fluff. I don't know what it's called, but I like it. It's this extra feminine touch to it, or couldn't really find the word for it, but I really like it. Kind of looks like a butterfly, but in a good way. I do have to say though that I really like the tie-dye color, the pattern. It's cool because usually when I think of tie-dye, it's really like you can see the contrast in colors and you can see like the splash of colors, but it's so subtle that you can't really tell at first glance that it's tie-dye, but there's something about it that you're like, there's something about the color, and it's just nice and interconnected and beautiful. I really like it. And this last piece from Zara that I'm really loving, it's not a dress shirt, yep, surprise, but it's this nice like sleeves. It's a sleeveless top, but the sleeves are really cool. It was kind of like the shirt that I got from Mango, except shorter and wider, and I really like that it's a tweed material, and I really like the gold button details. I love the material. I think this is probably my favorite. It wasn't, okay, when I was looking at the stuff, I wasn't planning to purchase it. I just saw it and I was like, okay, let's give it a try, because I don't really own anything like this, so I didn't know what to expect, but I wanted to try something new. So when I did receive it, it happened to be my favorite piece out of all the ones that I showed you. Of course, I love the others as well, but this one is so versatile. I paired it with shorts, I've paired it with skirts, and it just adds to the outfit. It's always like the highlight of it without being too much or without being really obnoxious. You know what I'm talking about? Like those pieces that are, sometimes it's just too much, But this, it calls your attention, but you don't really know what it is about that shirt that's drawing your attention. It's one of those, and I like those. It's mysterious, basic, but at the same time, it's special. It's kind of ironic, but you guys know what I mean when you see it. All right, moving on to the things that I got from H&M. It's not that many because I don't tend to buy too many in one shot. I don't like doing that because, you know, when we buy stuff, there's other releases, and I don't like getting so much in one shot and then see the new releases and I'm like, oh man, I should have held out and just went for that. But hey, if you wanna keep doing that, do you. I personally like to see what's coming up, and then if I like that better, then I can allocate my finances accordingly. Anyway, I always knew that I wanted a white sweater. Before, I didn't really invest in white sweaters because I would always think it's so hard to clean. It's hard to clean, but it's just really nice. Like, Instagram got me on this one. I would always see so many people just pairing their white sweater with something. I did get this during the springtime, but even during the summertime, let's be honest, we have chilly nights. We have times where we just, you know, we're wearing sleeveless tops, but come the nighttime, we need to put on a sweater. And this is really nice because it's light, but, you know, it gives you enough warmth, and you can pair it with anything. You can even layer with it. So I wanted to get my hands on it. And of course I got it in a set. So I got the joggers. I had an idea. The reason I got this was because I really wanted, not just the set, because it is nice for lounge wear, if you just want to be comfortable, if you want to look like a white sock or a cream sock, that's the way to do it. Or you can also make different outfits with different pieces. So that is one of the things that I like with coordinated sets, is you already have an outfit right then and there, but you can also make multiple. So it's kind of like exponential with your outfit. Throwing out my finance terms there, but you guys get what I mean. You get white joggers, and you can pair it with anything really. T-shirts, crop tops, dress shirts even. You don't even have to be limited to just that category. Like, if you think loungewear, it's not always just within the loungewear realm, but you can take pieces from that and add maybe something more elegant to it, something edgier. So that's why I got this set. And last but not the least, I want to say my favorite, but I really like all of them the same way. But I really like this jean jacket. I love this jean jacket. I don't even know what else to say. It's just the fit is really nice. The size is perfect, and the color is perfect. It's the color that I've been looking for. So it's not that I don't own other jean jackets. I do. They're different sizes and different colors. But this one was like, I've been looking for this color for so long, and I finally, I'm so excited I can't even talk. I finally found it, and at the fit that I like, and it's just perfect. You can wear dresses underneath. Ow, I bit my tongue. So excited. Anyway, you can wear your dresses with it. You can wear even the sweater that I showed you guys. You can wear anything, crop tops, t-shirts. It's a really good versatile, and I would even say a basic piece to have in your wardrobe. And that was it. I hope you guys liked it. I know sometimes it's really hard to find certain pieces that you want, and I know for me it really helps when I see other people with the pieces and I'm like, where did you get that? So here I'm throwing out some ideas for you guys so you can see some stores that I've been loving. You can see the pieces that I've been loving from those stores, or you can just go ahead and even get whatever it is that you want, get some ideas. So yeah, I'd love to know your thoughts, so please feel free to leave your comments down below. I'd love to know some of the places that you guys love shopping at, or what pieces you're loving right now, what trends you're loving right now. So go ahead and leave that down below. And I hope that you guys liked this video. If you guys did, go ahead and hit that like button. And also, I didn't forget, I know that I mentioned this last time, that I've been currently working on a project, and I can't wait to show you guys about beauty standards and things like that. I am working on that, so make sure that you guys stay tuned and subscribe or hit that notification bell. If you want to learn more about that, you are more than welcome to come back and stay tuned for that video. I'm really excited for it because I'm also gonna be learning, and I can't wait to discuss these things with you guys because it is something that I personally am interested in, but at the same time, it's something that we're living and we're experiencing, and so I can't wait to show you guys that. So stay tuned for that. And also, you can go on my Instagram where I post lots of fun things and outfit inspirations. And yeah, go follow me there. And I'll see you guys on the next one.